You think action cameras have reached their limits? Think again, because DJI is about to rewrite the rulebook with something that feels straight out of the future, the all-new DJI Osmo Action 6. A device that's not just a camera, but a complete redefinition of what a pocket-sized powerhouse can do. Leaks, insider reports, and early prototypes all point toward one thing. DJI is coming for GoPro harder than ever before, and this time they might actually win the war. The Osmo Action 6 isn't just about better specs. It's about a smarter brain, a tougher body, and visuals so sharp that even professional filmmakers will take a second look. And what makes this story even crazier is how quiet DJI has been about it. No massive launch teasers, no bold claims, just small clues leaking through firmware updates, testing units, and insiders hinting at a beast that's about to drop soon. You know the saying, when DJI goes silent, something big is brewing, and that's exactly what seems to be happening right now. The first thing you'll notice is performance, because the Osmo Action 6 is rumored to come powered by an all-new DJI Titan engine, their fastest processor yet. This means 8K recording at 60 frames per second and an unbelievable 4K at 240 FPS, giving you the freedom to capture buttery, smooth, slow motion that looks straight out of a Hollywood production. And this isn't just rumor fluff or several. Sources close to DJI's supply chain have confirmed that the company has been testing a next-gen image sensor that's 30% larger than the one found in the Osmo Action 4. A bigger sensor means better light capture, richer color depth, and that cinematic, shallow depth of field effect that every content creator craves. So whether you're shooting underwater, on a mountain trail, or during a midnight city ride, your footage will stay crisp, vibrant, and unbelievably stable. Speaking of stability, DJI's famous RockSteady stabilization is getting a massive upgrade. We're talking about version 5.0 here, with improved motion prediction powered by AI. Imagine running, jumping, biking, or even skydiving, and your footage still looks like it's floating on rails. This time, DJI is rumored to use a combination of hardware gyro sensors and software-based AI stabilization that predicts your next movement before it even happens. Yeah, it's that advanced. And before you even ask, yes, it's expected to support Horizon Steady 360, which means you can tilt, roll, or flip the camera completely, and your horizon will still remain perfectly level. Try pulling that off with any other action cam. But here's where things get really interesting. The Osmo Action 6 might be DJI's first fully AI-integrated action camera. Early leaks suggest it'll feature built-in AI-assisted shooting modes that can detect scenes automatically, like switching from landscape to portrait, identifying faces, and adjusting exposure based on what you're shooting. You point, you shoot, and it just knows what to do. There's even talk of an auto-edit feature where the camera itself can generate short clips for social media, complete with transitions and background music right from the device. So imagine capturing a mountain biking run, and before you're even done, your camera's already prepared a cinematic highlight reel for you to post instantly. DJI seems to be taking its drone-level AI and putting it right into your pocket. And that's not even the craziest part. Rumors also hint that the Osmo Action 6 will feature voice-guided framing, meaning the camera can give you real-time spoken tips like subject out of frame or lighting too low. It's like having a mini film assistant with you on every adventure, but if that doesn't already blow your mind, the design itself might. DJI seems to be going bolder this time, with a slightly larger body featuring dual full-color touchscreens. One in the front for vlogging and another on the back for framing your cinematic shots. And both displays? Fully responsive, even with wet hands or gloves, something no other action camera has truly perfected. The body will reportedly be crafted from reinforced aluminum with advanced waterproofing, possibly allowing you to dive as deep as 20 meters without a case. For comparison, that's double what the GoPro Hero 12 offers natively. Now let's talk about battery life, because every action camera fan knows how frustrating short run times can be. The Osmo Action 6 is said to feature an upgraded extreme power cell battery capable of recording up to 3 hours of 4K video on a single charge, and it can handle extreme temperatures from 20 degrees C to 45 degrees C effortlessly. Combine that with a new 30-minute fast charge mode that gets you 80% battery in under half an hour, and you've got an adventure-ready beast. And speaking of adventures, DJI is reportedly introducing a magnetic modular mount 2.0, a smarter version of its previous quick-release system, allowing you to switch between accessories instantly, from helmet mounts to chest rigs, gimbals, or even drone attachments. Imagine shooting your entire day with one camera that adapts to every moment. But here's where DJI really starts flexing its innovation muscles. the audio system. This time, insiders suggest the Osmo Action 6 will feature multi-mic 3D audio capture, allowing for surround sound-like quality directly from the device. And it doesn't stop there. It could even have AI noise cancellation built in, automatically isolating your voice from wind or background chaos. So even in a noisy street or windy mountain, your narration stays crystal clear. DJI clearly wants this camera to replace not just your GoPro, but even your vlogging setup entirely. And the leaks hint at something else. Bluetooth 5.4 integration and Wi-Fi 6E support, which means transferring large 8K files to your phone or editing wirelessly through the DJI Mimo app will be lightning fast. In short, they're eliminating the annoying wait between capture and sharing. And if you think this camera can't get any more futuristic, hold on. There are whispers about gesture controls powered by computer vision. Imagine waving your hand to start recording or showing a V sign to take a selfie photo without even touching the camera. DJI is reportedly testing this with drone-level object detection sensors built right into the lens frame. It's the kind of futuristic touch that makes even seasoned tech fans go, wow. Now let's take a second to imagine the possibilities. You're on a surfboard, waves crashing, one hand on the paddle, the other waving to start recording. Or you're mountain biking through rough terrain, and all it takes is a simple hand motion to mark a highlight clip. It's not just cool, it's actually practical innovation. DJI knows what creators want: speed, ease, and creative control, and they're giving all three in one sleek package. But beyond specs and features, what really makes the Osmo Action 6 stand out is DJI's obsession with color science. Their drones and cameras have always had a distinct cinematic tone, rich, natural, and perfectly balanced. The new Osmo Action 6 is rumored to include a revamped color engine called Cinecolor Plus, which delivers high dynamic range with perfect contrast straight out of the camera. That means less time grading and more time creating. And yes, we're talking full 10-bit color depth and HDR support up to 8K. Combine that with Apple ProRes and D-Log support, and you're looking at a true professional-grade tool disguised as a compact action camera. But all of this brings up one big question. What's the price? Insiders say DJI is targeting an aggressive launch price between $499 and $549, undercutting GoPro's top-tier models while offering better specs, smarter AI, and longer battery life. And according to multiple sources, the release window could be around late November or early December 2025, just in time for the holiday shopping season. Which means, yes, the GoPro versus DJI battle is about to explode again right before Christmas. Now let's talk about what this means for the industry. If DJI really pulls this off, 8K video, AI-powered shooting, gesture control, improved stabilization, and cinematic color, the Osmo Action 6 could become the go-to choice not just for vloggers and adventure lovers, but even filmmakers who need a compact, versatile camera for tough environments. DJI isn't just catching up to GoPro anymore. They're quietly outsmarting them by building a smarter, more adaptable device that feels less like a camera and more like an extension of your creativity. And here's the twist. DJI might also introduce a companion app powered by AI that automatically syncs your clips, detects the best shots, and edits your footage into highlight reels in real time. Imagine filming a whole trip and having a perfectly edited 4K montage ready by the time you get home. That's the kind of future DJI is moving toward. Effortless creativity powered by intelligence. So here's the question. Would you trust AI to handle